So today we're talking about Tesla, the incredible growth for the future. And also I want to tell a little bit about Tesla can make you wealthy, obviously. It has made people wealthy in the past and it'll make people wealthy again. Also, I want to talk a little bit about Elon had this Twitter poll out asking people if he should step down as the CEO of Twitter. And we'll talk about that. Also, the other thing he was mentioned today, I saw a really cool podcast today about Giga Berlin and their production numbers. So stay tuned, I'm really excited. So as we all know, surely not every stock is good for long-term investing. Investing into growth stock has made many rich in the past. Stocks like Tesla is needed to build generational wealth. Cathie Woods and Kevin O'Leary and others have predicted incredible price targets for Tesla stock. Welcome back to my channel, where we talk about investing and we talk about Tesla. Now, Tesla is the leading EV car company. Yes, competition is getting tighter, but Tesla is still one of the fastest growing companies. As inflation rose, Tesla increased the price of some EVs. With recession fears, Tesla has adjusted some of its prices. Tesla is starting mass production of the semi-truck, the Cypher Truck, and the new Roadster. Tesla is also working on a lower-cost EV that should cost around $25,000. Tesla is planning to build more Giga Factories to deal with demand and increase production. As far as we know, the next Giga Factory will be built in Mexico. Tesla's goal is to transition the world to more sustainable energy. Tesla has made incredible effort to do this. Elon Musk's ambition is to achieve a better future for humanity. The way to achieve massive success is through innovative technology. There are several projects to help Tesla increase revenue over the coming years. Tesla dominates 26% of global battery EV market. Tesla recorded $16.9 billion in their Q2 quarter, a 41.6% increase from its previous quarter. Earnings per share have increased by 56.6%. Cathie Woods of ARK Invest recently set a price target for Tesla at $4,600 by 2026. Wall Street predicts Tesla revenue to reach $84 billion by adjusted EPS of $12.46. Tesla's robotaxi could help Tesla shares to skyrocket, according to Cathie Woods. And Kevin O'Leary also loaded up on more Tesla shares earlier this year. Now, while Kevin O'Leary sold a small percentage of his stock during the year, it was simply to rebalance his portfolio. According to Kevin, Tesla is also a data company. The new Starlink satellites do work with Tesla cars as well. The stock has long-term market potential rather than short-term. So what we are seeing right now with Twitter is mostly noise. According to Cathie Woods of ARK Invest, even in a bear scenario, Tesla shares would still be worth $2,900 by 2026 and $5,800 in a bull scenario. Tesla has outperformed its competition by acceleration in production. Tesla is planning to launch of the self-driving features. This will generate more revenue for the company. Obviously, every company goes through challenges, and Tesla is in one of those challenges right now. However, Tesla has still managed to exceed expectations. Many Tesla bulls have mentioned that best days are yet to come. Many of Tesla's innovations and projects have not even hit the market yet. The news media is heavily manipulating the company, calling every bear to manipulate the stock price. We know that news media are somewhat manipulated by market makers and hedge funds, sometimes to get the investment price a little bit lower. So Elon had a Twitter poll out, and it was right after he came back from the finals, the soccer finals in Qatar. But here he had, should I stay the CEO of Twitter, or should I have somebody else assigned for it? And it says yes and no. So 57% said yes, don't be with Twitter anymore, because let's face it, it's mostly investors that say that. 43% said no. So my take on that was, as a Tesla investor, I would like to have him concentrate on Tesla, not so much on Twitter. You know, the stock is going down, and it's not like, I don't know, the fundamentals are great. It's just to see that, it's just psychologically that like really plays with your mind, and it plays with other people's mind. And I think a lot of people are selling their stock right now for tax purposes, you know, to weigh off their taxes. Also, I don't know if you follow him on Twitter, but I follow a lot of these investors that have a high percentage of Tesla in their portfolio. And I know they get a lot of pressure from their customers, I'm pretty sure. You know, average people don't understand that when you're going through a bear market, that your portfolio will go down. And if you have growth stocks in your portfolio, they're really gonna go down. And I think they get so much pressure from the customers. So there was a lot of pressure on Elon from them, you know, going, you know, you should not do this Twitter thing and blah, 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 and like blaming him for the stock. There's several reasons why the stock is down. Look at every other stock. You know, most stocks are down. Either a little, or if they're tech stocks or they're growth stocks, they're down dramatically. So I'm guessing that he's looking for a new CEO for Twitter. But also, so the news came out, Germany, so in October this year, in October, Germany was producing 2,000 Model Ys per week, and that just came out with the new numbers, and they're producing 3,000 Model Ys per week, and that's 50% growth in less than 3 months. So this is so exciting. So there's so many good news about Tesla. And the only thing, well, not the only thing, but one of the things that drags the stock down is, of course, the Twitter deal. And the other thing is the economy. You know, let's face it, the economy is not the greatest right now. But I don't like to see so much hate putting towards Elon. You know, and I'm honestly a little bit afraid of his safety. So what is your opinion? What do you think Elon should do? I mean, not that it's already too late, but would you like to see him staying with Twitter and changing this platform? Of course, if he's choosing a CEO, it has to be somebody that, you know, that's following of what Elon wants to do with this platform. The other thing that people got a little bit angry, and you know, I didn't agree with it either, is that he said for a second that on one of his tweets that people that are promoting other social media platforms are going to be banned. Now, I'm sure there's some that just create a Twitter account so they can advertise for their own personal, you know, channels. But I don't think it's right, because yes, you take viewers out of Twitter to other platforms, but it goes the other way around too. So once they follow you on YouTube and you announce that you have a Twitter account, I'm pretty sure it goes vice versa. So that wasn't really cool. And it's probably because he was just looking at numbers and he got a little bit upset how many people get out of Twitter and into a different platform just because, you know, they have somebody to follow. But anyway, so what is your opinion? What do you think Elon should have done? And where do you see Tesla? I mean, there's so many good news coming out with Tesla. And overall, the recession, when do you think? I know the stock market is ahead of the recession, so I'm guessing that later 2023, the stock market is going to recover, even if we're still in a recession. But what is your opinion about that? Let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I so appreciate you being there. Thank you so much. Finally, my voice is getting better. So hopefully I can make better videos. So thank you. Goodbye. I'll see you next time.